In June, Nothing partnered with StockX on a DropX exclusive to give 100 top bidders the opportunity to be first to obtain the Nothing Phone 1 with a custom engraved number corresponding with your winning bid. I bid and was fortunate enough to win. While it did note on the bidding page to allow up to 35 days for shipment of the device, I did not expect what was to follow after bidding. Receiving no updates, I messaged StockX July 13th following the Nothing event, simply stating order status please. Immediately, StockX emailed me canceling the order, receiving a PayPal refund in the bid amount in full with no details. Then I received another email from StockX later that same day, July 13th, where StockX addresses me as Brant, not Drew or Andrew, telling me they're sorry and provided a discount code for free shipping next time from StockX. July 25th, I'm now recharged for the device after receiving another email from another StockX rep stating that they're working to fix the issue. However, StockX never adds the order back to my StockX account since it was previously canceled by StockX, so I lose any and all visibility to the sale at this point in time on my end. July 28th, I received an email apologizing again for the delays, offering a free pair of ear ones, now shipping with the device. Jump to the beginning of August, I received an email from FedEx stating I have a package coming directly from China. Then that's followed by an email from StockX indicating the Nothing Phone 1 has finally shipped. And well, today it finally has arrived. 2+ months of insanity. It is here for us to unbox now. Looking forward to jumping right into this. If you watched my last video, you know I was able to actually import the Nothing Phone 1. I'm actually using that imported Nothing Phone 1 to film this video in 4K 30 FPS if you're curious. It's still wild to me that I was able to import one for much less, mind you, than this StockX exclusive that has been ever frustrating. While I get Nothing as a new company, it's pretty unfortunate that Nothing never sent any communication out directly to the bid winners. The only time anything was mentioned is in a single tweet response from Carl that they're working on it with StockX. I guess they're called Nothing for a reason. It's pretty unfortunate, but at least it's here now. Removing the FedEx wrapping, there's just a box with nothing on it, no logos, etc. Then some bubble wrap and what looks to be a Ziploc bag with the Nothing Phone and ear ones inside. Now, StockX, my understanding, repackages all of this before they actually ship it to the individual bid winners. Now, given this whole ordeal, I do appreciate that Nothing or StockX, whomever had the extra stock of these Nothing ear ones, included these Nothing ear ones with this purchase, especially after the waiting period. It is just a nice accessory to have paired with the Nothing Phone 1. And I have to say, I absolutely love these headphones. I've been using these headphones for quite some time now since they released. My son is also using these Nothing Ear One buds. They're super portable and they're also super durable. I use the black pair while my son uses the other white pair like these. So yeah, you can see the black pair here I actually have on my desk because I was just using them. They sound great. Excellent. Again, can't recommend enough. Now remember, the bid started in June, around June 21st. This actually wasn't made until 7/2022, and actually the date inside the box is 7/21. So these weren't produced until a month after. Diving right into the box here, though, we're going to have a very similar unboxing experience. You have the accessories that are included with the Nothing Phone 1, which inside here you're not going to get much. Unfortunately, there's no case inside here. Like, I think some of the reviewers received the cases, but even the StockX buyers here, we did not receive cases or screen protectors for the Nothing Phone 1, simply just the standard accessories that every pre-order and typical Nothing Phone 1 would ship with. Removing the plastic here, I have to say I like the look of the white Nothing Phone 1 here. I do prefer the black that I've been using daily though. Another thing I do notice though, right out of the box, and I don't know if you can tell, I'll highlight it here in a second as we kind of look around the actual phone. It looks pretty good. But here on the back, I already noticed an imperfection. It looks like there's either something stuck behind the glass here on my Nothing Phone 1 special edition, or there's just a marking inside the actual device there that is now showing through this transparent back, which is not really great. So don't really appreciate that, especially waiting so long for this device. It's pretty unfortunate to see QA issues like this right out of the box with really no way, I think, for me to get any type of resolve or solution to fixing this. Unfortunately, it's just going to look like that, I guess. Now for the edition etching here, I am 31 out of 100. Definitely cool to see the etch there on the side, but still a little unfortunate to see those QA issues right out of the box, especially not knowing how I'm going to address that. But as far as this whole ordeal, I didn't bid just because I wanted a first hands-on. I bid because I truly wanted to try a new mobile device from a new mobile brand. I also wanted an opportunity to invest in Nothing, but I couldn't do so given the restrictions and the geographical requirements on their investment opportunities. I also really loved using the Nothing Ear Ones daily and believe in their products thus far. Now, would I ever bid on something like this again with StockX? Absolutely not. Would I recommend it to anyone else either? Absolutely not. I hope this is a lessons learned for both Nothing and StockX going forward. Starting off with poor or rather lack of coherent, consistent communication is not a good sign, however, of what that future may hold. It's also unexcusable for StockX given they're a pretty well established brand themselves. Let me know your thoughts though. What do you think of this entire process? What are your thoughts on the Nothing Phone 1? And what would you like to see covered in my full review of the Nothing Phone 1 dropping here soon? As I've been using the black Nothing phone here for a bit now. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.